Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather not merely to listen but to awaken. Every great achievement, every remarkable success begins first in the mind. The difference between those who triumph and those who falter is not talent, circumstance, or fortune. It is the attitude that governs their thoughts each moment of the day. A positive mental attitude is more than a fleeting hope or wish. It is the very foundation upon which all enduring success is built. You will discover that by mastering your mind, by directing your thoughts with unwavering purpose, obstacles transform into stepping stones. Challenges become opportunities, and your deepest aspirations move within reach. Today, you are invited to unlock these timeless principles, to embrace a power within yourself that, once awakened, cannot be restrained. Open your mind, ready your heart, and prepare to step into a world where your thoughts dictate your destiny. The power of the mind is a force far greater than most men and women ever realize. Every action we take, every choice we make, every opportunity we grasp or let slip by begins not in the outside world, but in the invisible realm of thought. It is here, within the chambers of our own mind, that destiny is first imagined, crafted, and set into motion. To understand this is to understand that success, wealth, happiness, and influence are not handed down by chance or circumstance, but are earned by those who understand the tremendous influence of their own thinking. You see, the human mind is both a fertile soil and a powerful magnet. The thoughts you plant will grow, and the vibrations you send out will attract conditions and people that match the nature of those thoughts. Those who ignore the cultivation of their own minds may find themselves swept along by circumstance, drifting aimlessly through life as though at the mercy of forces beyond their control. But those who take the time to guard their thoughts, to direct their mental energies toward a clear and definite purpose, begin to harness a power that is unstoppable, a force capable of bending even the most rigid obstacles to their will. Every great leader, inventor, and innovator throughout history understood this principle, whether consciously or instinctively. They knew that before a bridge could span a river, before a revolution could change a nation, before a business could rise from obscurity to prominence, it all began as an idea, a single thought conceived in the mind. Thoughts are not idle. They are active agents of creation. When you nurture a thought with desire, focus, and action, it begins to shape your habits, your decisions, and ultimately the circumstances of your life. Conversely, thoughts of doubt, fear, and negativity act as chains that bind potential and limit achievement. The individual who consistently entertains self-doubt will find doors closing, opportunities slipping by, and momentum faltering. But the person who cultivates belief, confidence, and positivity finds doors opening, doors that may have seemed impossible to unlock, doors that lead to realms of opportunity reserved only for those willing to think differently and act courageously.
It is not merely enough to think positively in a casual sense,
as though positive thinking were a fleeting charm or a superficial exercise. The mind is far too powerful to be treated lightly. Thoughts must be deliberate, persistent, and backed by unwavering faith in their eventual realization. When a person embraces the idea that every thought carries the potential to shape reality, they begin to treat their mind as the most valuable asset they possess. They become vigilant against the intrusion of negative or idle thoughts and dedicate themselves to the cultivation of ideas that will bear fruit. This is why the study of the mind, the understanding of how thoughts influence character and circumstances, is the foundation of every successful life. Those who neglect this principle may achieve small successes, but they will never understand the magnitude of what is possible when the mind is fully engaged, focused, and aligned with a definite purpose. Consider for a moment the ordinary man who allows his mind to be dominated by fear, uncertainty, and indecision. Each day he may hope for better circumstances, yet he invests his mental energy in worrying about problems rather than solving them. His thoughts are scattered, unguarded, and reactive, and as a result his life is shaped by the external forces that he fails to master. Contrast this with the individual who understands that thought is power. He approaches each day with deliberate intent, aware that his mental attitude is the architect of his destiny. He cultivates ideas that inspire, that motivate, that compel action. And he understands that success is not a matter of luck, but a matter of consistent mental discipline. His thoughts become plans, his plans become actions, and his actions, guided by persistence and belief, begin to mold reality in his favor. The lessons of history, the testimonies of those who have achieved extraordinary success, all point to this undeniable truth. The mind is the starting point, the catalyst, and the constant companion on the road to achievement. To underestimate the power of thought is to surrender to mediocrity. To master the mind is to unlock doors that lead to realms of accomplishment previously thought unattainable. Each thought you entertain has consequences, shaping your character, influencing your decisions, and determining the nature of your interactions with the world. When you learn to discipline your mind, to focus your thoughts on definite goals, and to maintain a positive mental attitude, despite adversity, you set into motion forces that will work in your favor, often in ways that appear miraculous to those who do not understand the laws of the mind. The secret lies not in wishing for success, but in thinking with clarity, intention, and unwavering faith. By doing so, you plant seeds in the fertile soil of your mind, seeds that, when nurtured with action and persistence, will grow into the life you have always envisioned. Success is not a matter of luck, nor is it a gift bestowed upon a favored few. It is the inevitable outcome of consistent mental discipline, a principle too often overlooked by those who hope for prosperity without effort, for achievement without preparation, or for greatness without self-control. Many believe that circumstances alone dictate the course of their lives, that chance encounters, coincidences, or fortunate accidents are responsible for the wealth, influence, and satisfaction enjoyed by others. Yet when we examine the lives of those who have truly excelled, we find no reliance on luck, no surrender to chance, and no belief in fate. Instead, we find men and women who have mastered their minds, trained their thoughts, and cultivated the ability to think with purpose, clarity, and unwavering focus. Mental discipline is not simply a habit, it is a way of life, a commitment to controlling the mind in every moment, and understanding that the quality of your thoughts determines the quality of your results. To achieve success, one must recognize that the mind is a powerful instrument capable of shaping reality when used consistently and intentionally. A disciplined mind does not allow itself to drift aimlessly in response to external pressures or fleeting emotions. It does not entertain doubt when action is required, nor does it yield to fear when opportunity presents itself. Instead, it directs energy toward definite objectives, maintains focus even under adversity, and develops the resilience necessary to overcome setbacks. Mental discipline is the backbone of persistence, the engine that drives effort, and the guiding force that ensures that actions align with ambitions. Those who neglect this discipline often find themselves entangled in indecision, swept along by circumstance, or distracted by fleeting desires that ultimately lead nowhere. By contrast, those who cultivate a disciplined mind develop the power to shape their own destinies, to turn ideas into plans, and to transform plans into results through steadfast application. Consider the individual who desires success but lacks discipline. He may dream of wealth, recognition, or mastery, yet his thoughts are inconsistent, his habits are unstructured, and his actions are sporadic. Each day he may begin with enthusiasm, only to be diverted by distraction or deterred by minor setbacks. The inconsistency of his mental focus results in inconsistent results, and he wonders why the world seems unfair or why opportunity eludes him. In truth, the world does not deny him success. He denies it to himself by failing to cultivate the one attribute that makes success inevitable: control over his own mind. Mental discipline ensures that each thought is purposeful, each action is deliberate, and each decision moves him closer to his goal. Without it, talent remains unrealized, ambition remains frustrated, and potential remains dormant. It is essential to understand that mental discipline is not a restrictive or joyless endeavor. Rather, it is a liberating force, for it allows an individual to direct energy toward meaningful goals and to avoid the wasted effort that arises from scattered, undisciplined thinking. By establishing a consistent mental routine, by consciously choosing thoughts that are constructive, positive, and aligned with purpose, a person begins to create a mental environment in which success can flourish. The disciplined mind is alert to opportunity, quick to recognize solutions, and unshaken by temporary setbacks. It understands that the road to achievement is rarely smooth, and that difficulties are not obstacles but stepping stones to mastery. Each challenge, when met with disciplined thought and focused effort, becomes a lesson in resilience and a reinforcement of the mental habits that will ultimately secure success. The principle of consistent mental discipline is evident in every field of human endeavor. In business, those who rise to the top do so not by accident, but by careful planning, persistent action, and the ability to maintain clarity of purpose despite uncertainty. In science and the arts, innovation is rarely the product of chance. It is the reward of minds trained to think rigorously, to explore relentlessly, and to apply knowledge with precision. In personal development, happiness, self-confidence, and fulfillment are not matters of fate, but of habit, the habitual training of the mind to focus on constructive thoughts, to act in alignment with values, and to resist the lure of negativity or doubt. Discipline is the silent architect behind all achievement, the invisible force that converts ambition into reality, and the steady engine that powers consistent progress toward the life one envisions. When one understands that success is not a product of luck, but of deliberate, consistent mental discipline, a profound transformation occurs. The individual no longer waits for opportunity to arrive by chance, nor does he blame circumstance for setbacks. Instead, he recognizes that control of the mind is the ultimate form of power, that the direction of thought determines the course of life, and that persistence, focus, and disciplined action will inevitably yield the results he seeks. The mind, properly trained and unwaveringly focused, becomes the most reliable ally, the most powerful tool, and the ultimate determinant of achievement. Those who embrace this truth step onto a path where fortune ceases to be random and becomes the natural consequence of deliberate, disciplined thinking. A positive mental attitude is not merely a feel-good notion or an abstract philosophy. It is the cornerstone upon which all great achievement is built, and the shield that protects us in the face of life's inevitable challenges. Obstacles are not exceptions in life, they are the rule. They appear in every endeavor, in every pursuit, and to every individual who strives for something beyond mediocrity. Yet the manner in which we confront these obstacles, the mental posture we assume when confronted with difficulties, is the single greatest determinant of whether they defeat us or propel us forward. Those who possess a positive mental attitude approach adversity not as a barrier, but as an invitation, a test of ingenuity, courage, and perseverance. It is this mindset that allows the individual to convert setbacks into opportunities, to extract lessons from failure, and to transform apparent defeats into stepping stones toward greater achievement. A positive mental attitude is the lens through which we view our circumstances, the framework through which we interpret challenges, and the compass that directs our actions. Two individuals may face the same obstacle, yet their experiences will be vastly different because their attitudes differ. One may see the challenge as overwhelming, insurmountable, and indicative of personal inadequacy, while the other perceives it as a chance to learn, to grow, and to prove resilience. It is not the obstacle itself that determines the outcome, but the mental posture adopted in response to it. When a mind is cultivated to expect solutions rather than dwell on problems, to seek opportunity rather than lament loss, it gains an almost magnetic ability to attract resources, ideas, and assistance that might otherwise remain hidden. This is the essence of a positive mental attitude, the unwavering expectation that for every difficulty there exists a pathway to resolution, and that by maintaining faith and focus, the individual can navigate the most treacherous terrain. Consider the challenges that have confronted every successful person throughout history. There is no exception to the rule that obstacles appear at every stage of the journey. Businesses fail, relationships falter, health may decline, and plans may collapse. Yet those who achieve greatness do not permit these difficulties to dictate the terms of their lives. They understand that while external events may be beyond their control, their reaction to those events is entirely within their power. A positive mental attitude does not ignore hardship. Rather, it confronts it with clarity, courage, and the determination to find solutions. It transforms fear into energy, hesitation into action, and uncertainty into opportunity. This mental transformation is not the product of chance, but of conscious effort, repeated practice, and the deliberate cultivation of habits that reinforce optimism, resilience, and constructive thinking. The individual with a positive mental attitude recognizes that obstacles are often disguised blessings. They force innovation, compel problem solving, and awaken latent strengths that may otherwise remain dormant. Each difficulty becomes a test of character, a measure of persistence, and a teacher of wisdom. By maintaining a positive outlook, one can extract from even the most trying circumstances a lesson that enhances skill, judgment, and fortitude. Without this mental framework, challenges are likely to discourage, demoralize, and defeat. With it, they become stepping stones, each one bringing the individual closer to the ultimate objective. This principle is consistent across every domain of human achievement. The athlete, the entrepreneur, the artist, the scholar, and the leader all encounter obstacles, yet the ones who rise above are those who have mastered the ability to maintain a constructive, forward-looking mindset in the face of adversity. A positive mental attitude also influences the people and circumstances that surround us. Optimism, confidence, and persistence are contagious. They attract assistance, collaboration, and favorable conditions. Conversely, negativity, doubt, and fear repel opportunities and create resistance in others. By maintaining a positive attitude, an individual not only equips themselves to overcome obstacles, but also cultivates an environment in which solutions, resources, and support are more readily available. This is why mental attitude is so powerful. It governs not only our perception of reality, but also the way reality responds to us. The mind, when attuned to possibility, becomes a magnet for progress, drawing circumstances and individuals that align with its constructive vision. It's important to understand that cultivating a positive mental attitude is not an event, but a practice. It requires vigilance, self-awareness, and a commitment to reject destructive thoughts, doubts, and fears. Each stage, each decision, and each response to difficulty is an opportunity to strengthen this mental habit. Over time, it becomes automatic, a natural lens through which the world is perceived. Challenges are met with composure rather than panic, with creativity rather than complaint, and with action rather than inaction. Those who master this mental discipline find that obstacles no longer appear as barriers, but as catalysts for growth, achievement, and personal development. The positive mental attitude transforms the journey of life, from a struggle against circumstance into a conscious, purposeful march toward fulfillment, influence, and success. Belief, desire, and persistence are the three engines that propel the individual from mere dreams to tangible achievement. Without desire, the mind has no direction. Without belief, the will wavers in doubt. And without persistence, even the best plans falter before the first challenge. These qualities are not optional, they are indispensable. Desire is the spark that ignites the mind, the inner fire that fuels action. It is not a passing fancy or a wishful thought, but a deep burning conviction that a goal is worth pursuing with every ounce of energy available. Without this burning desire, the mind remains idle, and the body finds excuses for inaction. But when desire is harnessed and focused, it becomes a force that drives thought, shapes decisions, and influences every action in the direction of success. Belief is the bridge between desire and reality. To achieve anything worthwhile, one must first believe that it is possible, that the mind and heart are capable of shaping circumstances to fulfill purpose. This belief must be absolute, unwavering, and free from the shadows of doubt. Many falter not because they lack talent or opportunity, but because they doubt their own ability to attain what they envision. The mind acts in accordance with the thoughts it accepts as truth, and belief strengthens the mental conviction that success is not only possible but inevitable when effort is applied consistently. When a person truly believes in a goal, that belief transforms the imagination into a blueprint, directing every thought and action toward realization. It is this conviction that enables one to see opportunities where others see obstacles, to find solutions where others find problems, and to persist in the face of challenges that would defeat the unprepared. Persistence is the quality that converts desire and belief into action and keeps that action consistent over time. It is not enough to desire a goal or believe in its possibility. The individual must continue to act toward it day after day, undeterred by setbacks, delays, or discouragements. The path to achievement is rarely smooth or predictable, and obstacles are not exceptions. They are inevitabilities. Persistence ensures that the individual remains steadfast, applying effort with unwavering focus and refusing to be swayed by temporary failures or criticism. It is the repeated effort, maintained over months and years, that ultimately carves the path to success. Those who abandon their goals at the first sign of difficulty will never experience the full measure of what they could achieve. Persistence transforms effort into results, And it is this quality that separates those who accomplish from those who merely hope. When desire, belief, and persistence work in harmony,